Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX, welcome back. I'm going to take you through T24. It's time to do a bit of an update on our systems and give you an idea of how they've been tracking. So this is another trend trader system. So again, using the same strategies we had on heating oil. This one's on gasoline. This has had a fairly big year, 253% return on $10,000 account, and that's trading a single lot, 25k, so a massive 2013. This is one of our top ranked strategies, doing very well on gasoline. The time we're trading this is obviously US market open, first couple of hours. Trading outside of that time slot, we found that there was too much slippage either side, so we've definitely narrowed that trading time in, and this gasoline strategy is still running very well. So I'm going to take you through the strategy. I'm going to take you through the results for 2013 so far, and we'll have a look at obviously where this strategy is at this week and how it's performing over the last 20 days. What I want to do is firstly take you into our spreadsheet, which is tracking our system performance. This is our Portfolio Manager Elite spreadsheet, and this is for gasoline. So T24 is gasoline. We're going to do a quick review on the stats so far for this year. We've been tracking this system obviously for the last 13th of February. So at the moment it's up 25k. Basically it's up 253% for the year so far on a $10,000 account. Max drawdown there is 1142. You can see over here we've got our initial risk mapped out. We've got an initial risk per trade of $100, and our maximum drawdown that we would accept on this strategy is $800. So if you look at risk as an R multiple, then we're saying that if we have a negative 8R drawdown on this strategy, then basically this system is turning off. And you'll see that if we go over to obviously our equity graph, you've got most of the profit at the moment is being made on the short side, and that's been historically the case on this strategy. So this red area here is showing profit. Well, this is your equity curve. The blue is our long profit, the red's our short. So very quickly and visually we can see where the money's being made on this strategy. And you can see that in the last 20 days that hasn't changed. There's really been not a lot of money made on the long side, or none, negative 55. All the money's coming on the short side. So it's definitely shorts are on fire, and they have been for the entire period. Now, there has been a little bit of profit made on the long side. Now, if we have a look at, and the great thing about this spreadsheet is that we're also getting obviously the 90 and the 180 day look. We can see where the profit, there is profit being made obviously on the long side, but just not as much. And you can see as you start rolling back the months that more profit is being picked up on the long side. If we go into our drawdown, you can see the system's turned off once and then turned back on. So that's a period where we wouldn't be trading that strategy because it's hit our circuit breaker. Our circuit breaker is the term we use to describe turning the system off. Okay, so if we scroll across here, so what you'll see is that, as I mentioned before, gasoline is running really well. We've modified the time on gasoline because we know that the group has had a look at the time outside of the standard US market hours, so the open, and really there's too much spread and slippage on that market. So it's really not feasible to be trading that. Still got a good average trade net profit of $84. And you can see here also that the win rate 3.67, win to loss ratio 3.67, number of trades we've got a 300. So we've got a really good a number of trades here that we're running this data sample on. The great thing here is our net profit to max drawdown ratio is 22.19%. That's fantastic. Now you've got a profit factor of 2.81. So this thing is really running well. And if we have a look at the actual charts, which I'll bring over now. So if we have a look at the charts, which I've just brought over, you can see that if we look at our latest workspace, and I'll just do a view strategy performance here, and this will load up, you can see that this strategy is running very, very well. So you can see our strategy doing really well. This week we're up 298. It's not going to have winning weeks every week, but it's just nice and consistent. It's made a lot of money over this year. It's done really well, 2013. And it continues to perform exceptionally well. So let's have a look at our stats for this week. We're with the current settings, because remember, every week we're going in, we're adjusting this strategy. So at the moment, this system is trading. Let's have a look at the let's look at the days this system is trading. It's trading on the long side, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And on the short side, it's trading, let's have a quick look at the short side. From memory, it should be trading Monday only on the short side. Thanks for joining us for that walkthrough of T24. That's one of our strategies, obviously trading on gasoline. If you'd like to become a GMT Futures or FX automated system trader, all you need to do is email us at info@gmtfutures.com, or you can give us a call at 617-336-00875. Or you can visit our website www.gmtfutures.com and have a look at our products page. But looking forward to catching on the next update. Thanks for your time, and have a fantastic weekend. Cheers.